dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day.
A lot of smoke.
That's how breadfruit fire go. Always have a lot of smoke.
Chucky, how do I open this beer? Is it a twist top or
Eh?
the twist top, or is it a can opener?
Oh, you want to open?
Yeah, please. What am I getting you, buddy?
The water.
Oh. Put the saltfish in it.
Okay.
Alright, you need to soak first, you know?
Okay.
It's gonna be too salt.
Yeah. I'm gonna study what you do and then tomorrow I can try and do it.
Yeah?
Yeah. So then you don't have to do it because I feel bad.
Oh, it's so big.
It's because we asked them for a lot.
Yeah, better idea.
Yeah.
I can soak a little.
Okay.
What you can do now is go and prepare the vegetable
Okay.
and the boat.
Yeah.
Camera somewhere.
Okay. Should I cut the onion small?
Yeah.
Okay, and then tomato?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe one of these.
Okay. Alright, and cut everything small.
Yeah, man.
That's a lot of fish and we only took a bit.
Yeah. You need a bowl to take.
Okay.
So that juice good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it tastes very good.
And the whole boat,
Hold
boat
it.
filled up. Okay. Oh, it's hot. It's okay. Maybe I can hold it from the bottom. Okay.
I want to throw the water on this.
Okay. Oh, it smells good already, the fish.
Yeah?
It already smells good, yeah.
So now you're gonna cook up the tomato and everything.
Okay. Where should I put the fish? Oh, where the fish is going in with it?
Yeah, give me the fish.
Okay. Your hands are stronger. It's not hot for you.
Yeah. It's a little bit hot. Maybe we should some water. Cool it
Okay.
down. You need to take off all these.
Oh, you want me to help?
No, because through your video,
Okay.
you're gonna break up this now in small pieces, you know.
Get out all the bones.
Like these. You just break it up like so.
Okay.
It's hot.
Yeah, really hot.
Yeah, you need to cool it. It's good for the dog, you know.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we brought back some stuff, some old pork for the dogs. I don't know if it's too old, though.
Where it is?
Oh, I thought I gave it to you. No?
When it come? A while ago?
Yeah, it was like the first, it was 2 days ago we got it.
Okay. Go and throw the oil in the pot. The pot on the
Okay.
fire.
Where's the oil? On the table? Or?
Maybe it's in the bag.
Okay, let me see. So I'm going now for the oil to put some oil in the pot. We bought some vegetable oil.
Pot down the fire.
Okay. On the stove?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hot. Alright, so Chucky just asked me to put these vegetables into the pot. I already put the oil in, so I'm just gonna dump everything in now. It doesn't splatter. We can put this up in case it's gonna splatter. Yep.
You never put scotch bonnet pepper in it?
Oh yeah, okay. Should I cut one up?
Yeah, but if you want, I'll make it stay.
Yeah.
Don't touch the pan is going hot.
Okay. Maybe Chucky, do you want to check and make sure we didn't mess it up? We just have it in with the oil.
Nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
Oh, it's good.
Okay.
Make it stay 15 more minutes, yeah?
Okay.
I'm going to the shop and come back. I can ride the motorbike.
Okay.
By the time I come back, I have to do it.
Okay, perfect. So by the way, everyone, Chucky just took his motorbike to go get something, I think, for the dinner. I'm not sure exactly what. So he should be back in a few minutes, but the fish is already done. We just shut it off. The vegetables and everything are done too. So yeah, the fish should be ready soon. I think the breadfruit had like 15 minutes left, he said. So should I leave the breadfruit?
I'm coming.
Okay, okay.
Hey, I'm coming.
Okay, no problem.
Look what she, you want that?
Huh?
Look how she pretty.
Oh,
You want that? Yeah, come now, yeah?
okay, okay.
Yeah. I'm leaving now. I'm not gonna stay this stupid boy no longer.
Okay.
I'm coming back home now.
Okay, because the breadfruit's still on. So you want me to leave it?
No, man. I'm right there now.
Okay, all right. I didn't want to ruin it. Okay.
Hang on. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah?
Okay, so I just called Chucky really fast because I wanted to make sure I didn't leave the breadfruit on for too long. So, yeah, I just called him to check, but it seems okay. We're at Chucky's. We're cooking some food now. What are you doing?
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. I'm just leaving from Long Bay coming down home.
Okay, so you're on your way back now?
I'm gonna pass where you are.
Okay, if you come, we might have some food to give. I think we'll have enough food if you want. Jason? Yeah, we're cooking, so.
Oh, what you were saying? What are you cooking?
Saltfish and breadfruit and vegetables.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Maybe by the time I have passed here, you're gonna finish.
Okay, okay.
Maybe if you want, you can just drive, come out at the bridge just to say hi.
Okay, yeah, where are you gonna be?
Yeah, I'm just leaving Long Bay. I'm gonna send you my live location, so you're gonna see that I'm.
Okay. Okay, and what time should I come tomorrow?
As early as possible.
Yes, time to get the breadfruit up and running. Now the breadfruit roast.
Okay.
And I gotta peel it. Go like this.
And spiral.
But it's super hot.
Need another cloth?
It's okay, I gotta manage it. I have to. Over here now to get the plate.
Okay.
Maybe this better, you know?
Okay. Oh, nice and soft.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's super hot.
Yeah.
You smell it?
Mm-hmm. Smells kind of like potato.
I told him.
Oh. Tastes different though.
Nice with the saltfish, you know, I know.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. For the dogs. Jason says he's nearby.
He coming here?
I don't know. He said like he might to say hi.
Yes. I'm a little bit freaky, you know? I'm not my real style, yeah?
Okay. Should I tell him not to come?
Huh?
Should I tell him not to come?
No, man.
Okay.
He's free to come. But my way of thinking about life total different. You know?
Different. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See the breadfruit here now? It's ready, you know?
Oh,
So I have to,
nice.
you know, share out the saltfish and things like that.
Yeah.
In plate, you know? Or pack it, anyone you want.
Okay. Nice.
You want
food
it
plate.
in plate?
No, I can do the Pocky.
Oh, pack it better.
Yeah.
Pack it look more culture.
Yes.
I think so too.
Mm-hmm. Where's yours?
I gotta get one and pack it.
Okay.
Yeah?
You tasted it? Gotta wait.
I know a lady from England, you see. And me cook it and give her. You can boil it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can
Okay.
boil it.
Oh, never seen that.
And when we boil it and give her, she say, oh, this is like potato. If I live in Jamaica, I would never buy potato. I would just eat breadfruit.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what she say.
Oh. And it's bigger because I've never seen a potato that big as a
No.
breadfruit. That looks good.
So you're gonna just take the amount of breadfruit you want.
Okay.
Maybe you need 2 packs.
Okay. So here's the fish with the vegetables. We got some breadfruit. Very hot still. I'm gonna try the fish. Mmm. It's good.
Yeah?
It's good. The fish is salty. Taste it, taste it.
Can turn on the light if you want.
Okay.
Super good.
Really good.
I have to now.
Yeah. Just set it up while we eat.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, very good.
I didn't try the breadfruit yet. I'm gonna taste that next.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you make this ever?
Wow.
This meal?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Nice meal.
Nice meal, yeah.